I'm having a walk in the countryside this morning, testing out the new DJI Neo drone. It's a drone that you don't need a controller for. It just follows you. It has AI technology in it, and you can use it as another cameraman. So I thought I'd go for a wander round. We'll go up White Nancy in Bollington, Cheshire, and see how the Neo drone performs. See if it follows me. So off we go up the hill now, and let's see how this drone performs. White Nancy is a structure at the top of Kerridge Hill, overlooking Bollington, Cheshire. Since 1966, it has been recorded in the National Heritage List for England as a designated Grade 2 listed building. Its profile forms a logo for the town of Bollington. White Nancy was actually built as a summer house by a guy called John Gaskell, who lived just below the hill. It was built in about 1815. It is stone built with external rendering and regularly painted white in order to maintain its visibility. It is thought that it may have been built at that time to commemorate the Battle of Waterloo. Inside of White Nancy, there is a seat which goes all around the wall, with a large table in the centre. The circular table is cut from a single piece of stone. Before Nancy was built, the site was occupied by a beacon. It's a small brick beacon that was erected on high points all over England, in which fires could be lit to warn people of invasion. Well, I think the Neo performed well. It took some good footage of me going up and down the paths, and it certainly followed me. See you next video. Bye.